Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we're looking at the invisible tech that keeps a big presentation from becoming a pixelated disaster.
Yeah, the stuff you never see, but you absolutely notice when it fails.
Exactly. We're digging into the specs for the Kramer TP-582R.
And yeah, they sell it as an HDMI receiver, but that doesn't really do it justice, does it?
Not at all. It's more like I don't know, a signal survival kit.
Well, yeah, because
Yeah.
the main problem this whole thing is built to solve is just distance.
Right. If you've ever tried to run a standard HDMI cable more than, say, 20 or 30 feet.
Oh, it's a nightmare. The signal just disintegrates. You get sparkles, dropouts,
Yeah.
or nothing at all.
Just a black screen. So this Kramer unit uses HDBaseT 1.0 to bridge that massive gap.
Which is really just the industry standard for pushing video through, normal internet cables.
Your standard CK cable.
Precisely. And the specs say this receiver can grab a 1080p signal from up to 130 meters away.
130 meters. I mean, that's 430 feet.
Yeah, you could wire a stadium with that kind of range.
And it does this without losing quality.
Zero compression artifacts. It holds a 60 hertz refresh rate, 36-bit deep color. It even passes through the E-dyed signals.
And that's the hand-shaped data, right? It tells the source what kind of display is on the other end of that 400-foot line.
So the resolution's always perfect. No guesswork.
Now, in the name, it's listed as a 1+1 HDMI receiver. That 1+1 part seems important.
It is. That's a nod to the outputs. This is the feature that can actually replace another piece of gear in your AV rack.
Because it has two mirrored HDMI outputs.
Exactly. It's a splitter built right in. Think about a lecturer at a podium.
Okay.
They need to see their presentation on a small monitor in front of them, but the audience needs to see it on the giant projector screen behind them.
So they're not constantly turning their back.
Right. And normally you'd need a separate distribution amplifier for that. This box just handles the split right there at the destination. It's so much cleaner.
And it seems to do a similar thing for the audio. The specs mention something called drop and continue.
Yeah, that's a huge deal for sound quality. HDMI audio is fine, but the speakers built into projectors and displays are
They're usually terrible.
awful.
Yeah.
So this unit can de-embed or, pull out that digital audio stream.
And send it somewhere else. I see outputs here for SPDIF and a tie-sling optical connector.
So you can route the audio to a proper high-end amplifier and a real surround sound system.
And that's where the continue part comes in, I'm guessing. It does this while also sending audio to the screens.
It does both simultaneously. It drops the audio to your big sound system while it continues to pass it through the HDMI. It's just smart redundancy.
Okay, so that one cat cable isn't just carrying video and audio then.
Not even close. HDBaseT is a wide pipe. This unit also handles bidirectional control signals.
So on top of everything else, you're getting, what, Ethernet?
100 megabit Ethernet, RS-232 serial commands, and infrared, all down that one line.
So the tech crew in a control room hundreds of feet away can actually turn the projector on or off, check its status.
Adjust the volume, anything. It consolidates all that cable chaos into a single clean run.
And the box itself is built to be hidden away. It's in one of their Megatools enclosures.
Which sounds big, but it's actually pretty compact. And more importantly, it's fanless.
So it's silent.
Completely silent. It uses convection cooling. You can mount it in a drop ceiling right above a boardroom table, and you'll never hear a thing.
It really is a Swiss Army knife. We walk into an auditorium, we plug in a laptop, and we just expect magic to happen.
And behind that magic is probably a little aluminum box like this, splitting video and stripping audio from 400 feet away. The cleaner the setup looks, the smarter the hidden gear has to be.
It really leaves you with a final thought, doesn't it? If this one box can use a single CCAT cable to replace a video cable, an audio cable, an internet line, and a control wire,
Yeah.
you have to wonder how much of the cable clutter under our own desks is actually just obsolete.
That is the question.
Something to think about. That's it for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.